Silver, the often overlooked precious metal, has long been considered a store of value and an industrial workhorse. However, in recent times, a growing chorus of analysts and investors have raised concerns about potential price manipulation in the silver market. Is the true value of silver being suppressed? Keith Neumeyer, CEO of First Majestic Silver, is a prominent voice asserting that banks are actively working to keep silver prices artificially low. Neumeyer argues that financial institutions manipulate the paper silver market to their advantage, effectively capping prices and profiting from short-selling strategies. This manipulation, he contends, prevents silver from reaching its true price potential. This debate over silver price manipulation underscores the complex dynamics at play within precious metals markets. While concrete evidence of widespread manipulation remains elusive, the allegations highlight the need for greater transparency and regulatory scrutiny in the silver market. Investors are left to grapple with the question of whether silver is a significantly undervalued asset, or whether current prices accurately reflect market fundamentals. The silver market is abuzz with speculation about what might trigger a significant price surge. Expert predictions for silver's trajectory in the coming year vary, with some anticipating a potential breakout. Peter Krauth, editor of Silver Stock Investor, believes silver could approach the $30 mark in the latter half of 2024, and potentially skyrocket to over $300 by 2030. His bullish outlook is fueled by expectations of a substantial supply shortfall in the near future, a factor he believes is currently underestimated by the market. Meanwhile, Chen Lin of Lin Asset Management suggests that silver could reach $50 an ounce, potentially marking the initial surge towards a remarkable $100 target. These optimistic forecasts often hinge on the emergence of a catalyst event that could disrupt the current market equilibrium. Some analysts point to a potential breaking point in the gold-silver ratio, where gold prices surge while silver remains relatively stagnant, as a potential trigger for a silver price explosion. This disconnect between the two precious metals, they argue, is unsustainable in the long term, and could lead to a rapid realignment. Understanding the factors that influence silver prices is crucial for navigating this volatile market. The US dollar's strength plays a significant role, with a stronger dollar typically putting downward pressure on silver prices. This inverse relationship reflects the pricing of silver in US dollars, making it less attractive to international buyers when the dollar appreciates. The Federal Reserve's monetary policy, particularly its stance on interest rates, also exerts a considerable influence. Expectations of interest rate cuts in 2024 have provided some support for silver prices, as lower rates can make precious metals more appealing compared to interest-bearing assets. Geopolitical uncertainties, often a driver of safe haven demand, can impact silver prices. Industrial demand, a key pillar of silver's value proposition, adds another layer of complexity. The growing adoption of solar panels, electric vehicles, and advanced technologies requiring silver components contributes to the metal's strategic importance. While the allure of potentially outsized returns in the silver market is undeniable, it's essential to approach these opportunities with a healthy dose of caution. The speculative nature of price predictions cannot be overstated, and past performance is never a guarantee of future results. Before making any investment decisions, conducting thorough due diligence is paramount. This involves researching reputable sources, understanding the risks involved, and considering your investment goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes is also a prudent strategy to mitigate potential losses. While expert opinions can provide valuable insights, they should not be the sole basis for investment decisions. Remember, the silver market, like all financial markets, is influenced by a multitude of factors, many of which are difficult to predict.